Mag-voice over na lang ako dito kasi ang hina ng boses ko dito. Sabi ko, "Hi, hello, gagawa ko ng banana bread with oats and chocolate chips." So, na-share ko na yung recipe ng basic banana bread sa isang reels ko. Check nyo na lang yun. And you can add anything you want with making banana bread. So, yun na nga, may butter tayo, yung mashed banana at egg, at ang vanilla, tapos ang melted butter, mix lang natin, tapos 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 and a half ng flour, mix mo, sugar, 1 and a half cup, at yan. So, pasensya na kayo, puro banana bread yung ginagawa ko, no? Kasi, lagi ko kaming merong lakatan. Minsan hindi nakakain. Kaya, ginagawa ko na lang siyang banana bread. So, if you are new in baking, I suggest na banana bread is one of the easiest item that you can bake. Sobrang dali. You can start from there. Banana bread, brownies, and cookies. Super dali lang yan. And I suggest na just keep on doing it and then master mo natin yung mga baking and you can customize it. So, this one, I made a mixture na very easy. So, ayan, nilagyan ko lang ng oats and chocolate chips yung banana bread. So, kayo, pwede nyo lagyan ng kahit ano para ma-customize nyo yung banana bread nyo. Pwede nyo lagyan ng nuts and anything. Tapos yan, binake ko na. At ayan, i-check natin with the toothpick. Tapos sabay ko na yung pag-bake ng cookie kasi may cookie dough ako, bye.